Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a crypto payment app with Venmo, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining the project scope and objectives for your crypto payment app. Identify key features you want to incorporate, such as Bitcoin support, user accounts, and transaction history. Research relevant regulations and compliance requirements for cryptocurrency transactions in your target market. Choose a technology stack that includes a suitable programming language, framework, and database. Set up your development environment with the necessary tools and software. Design user interface wireframes to illustrate the app's layout and features. Select a secure and reliable blockchain platform that meets your app's requirements. Implement user authentication features to ensure security, such as two-factor authentication. Develop the back-end, starting with user account management and transaction processing. Incorporate Venmo-like features, allowing users to send and receive crypto payments easily. Integrate payment gateways to facilitate cryptocurrency transactions using APIs. Create a wallet system for users to store their digital assets securely. Implement transaction history functionality to enable users to track their crypto activities. Test the app thoroughly, focusing on security, usability, and performance. Gather feedback from initial users through beta testing and consider their suggestions for improvement. Finalize the app and prepare it for launch, ensuring compliance with all legal requirements. Deploy the app to popular app stores, following their submission guidelines. Monitor user feedback post-launch and provide regular updates and support. Continue to enhance the app over time, adding new features and optimizing performance as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.